Kṛṣṇa, the God, is the realistic spiritual being, because you are a sample of Him. Are you fake? If you are fake, then God can be fake. If a representative is fake, naturally the master will be fake. So, first of all, if you think you are a real person, then also try to think really. Don't say, I believe in this way or that way. What is your standard? What is your proof of being real? You can't create your own definition of real depending upon the imperfect senses. We have 4 defects. We have imperfect senses. If we are prone to commit mistake, we are prone to be illusion, and we lie or fake. So, from these 4 defective senses, how could you challenge the reality of your soul, which is a symbol of the Supreme Whole? So, one must be thoughtful. God doesn't mean anything to you. If you devalue yourself, you don't have any value for Kṛṣṇa. In Kali Yuga, the value system goes down into drain. Isn't it foolish to ask God is fake by telling yourself you are fake? World is simply becoming hypocrites.